Hi, my name is Keisha. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm impulsively dyeing my hair. First off, wow, my hair is brown. It's not blonde. I had an impulse thing before work. I got an itch. I had to scratch it. I'm brown. I had to get a towel. But yeah, this color was because I was just being impatient and didn't want to be blonde anymore. It's a cute color, like it's not bad. If you want to know what two colors I mixed to get this, I used the Wella Color Charm 8NG and 5BC. 5BC is called Coffee Bean, and 8NG I think is called Light Beige Blonde or Light Golden Blonde or something. So yeah, but today I'm dyeing my hair black. I don't know. I think I'm just tired of it. I don't know. Whenever I dye my hair blonde, I always go back black because I don't want to like deal with the upkeep of the blonde. And with the length my hair is at right now, maybe to about here is like hair that's only been processed, like bleached once. So I can work with, you know, losing some ends like later down the line when I grow it out. It'll be fine. Because basically half of my hair is like cool, and then the ends are gonna need a little more effigy. They're fine when it's dry. Like if you can tell, like you can see like it's fine when it's dry. It's just I want to work on the elasticity or like what it looks like when it's wet. But anyways, rambling. So this is the color I'm using. It's the 1NN by Ion Intense Black. This is the darkest black that they have. I feel like I wanted to go dark, like super dark. I don't know why. I'm really extreme. Like I didn't want to just go back to my natural color. Anywho, so what I'm doing now, I put the towel on myself, but I don't necessarily need it just yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up all of the color. But I do this so often. But I'm just so ready to be done with my hair. Like to not have to worry about like keeping it up. So I know that if I do it black, if I grow it out, it'll be okay. Alright, so let me see the mixing ratio really quick for these, because this is the liquid color. Okay, so it's 1:1. So 1:1 is for every 1 ounce of color, you use 1 ounce of developer. So if there's 2 ounces in here, so I'll do 2 ounces of developer. And I'm gonna use the Ion developer as well. Since I'm just depositing color, I'm just gonna use a 10 volume because I don't need any lift. I don't need to put my hair through anymore at all. So like after I do this, I'm low-key scared to do it, which is probably why I'm procrastinating. I won't be touching my hair with chemicals for a very, very long time. Because I know how I get, and I know if my hair isn't like up to par, then I'll cut it, and I don't want to cut it anymore. Okay, so let's get to mixing this color up. Now I'm gonna start applying. Actually, psych. For the first time, for the sake of everyone, I'm finally gonna section my hair. I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna put it in 4 quick sections and secure it with some clips. I'm gonna do the front last just because part of me feels like I might leave some of this brown color in here, but I don't know, probably not. Alright, sections. Got them. I'm gonna put this towel on my neck just so my neck and this shirt isn't stained black because I kind of like this shirt. I want to be able to like wear it again. So I'm just gonna get to applying. I'm gonna apply with what's on the brush around the perimeter because I'm gonna do my roots and everything. And then I'm going with my hands like usual. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot. So typically you wanna color your hair like, well, from what my mom told me. Hi mom. My mom said you should be washing your hair on like dirty hair, basically. Oh yeah, I can't see the back of my head with this brush. We gonna have to go with our hands. This is too fancy for me. She said that, well, what I've been told growing up is that you should wash your hair when it's kind of like dirty, because that's when all your hair's oils and stuff is on there, and you won't strip your hair of all its natural oils and all that good stuff. But my hair is clean because I don't know how to listen to my mom. But no, I just made sure I put a bunch of oil on my hair beforehand. Ooh, I like it already. Look, this is, I wanted like a super dark, like something that's obviously not my natural hair color black. My whole neck is, I just know my whole entire neck across the back of there is black, so don't even say anything to me. Just gonna take the rest of it, put it on the ends, make sure it's everywhere throughout the sections. Just making sure it's fully saturated because I do want it to be all like black. But whenever I dye my hair black, that's when everything goes to crap. So after this, there's no more dyeing my hair ever again. Until like, for another like year. There's really no like dyeing my hair until my new growth is the rest of this life, basically. Or I might like the black and keep it, shoot. This joint is dark. I'm talking a lot, but look. But like, look how dark it is. I'm gonna go ahead and let this process. I'm gonna look at the directions. We're gonna look at the directions together. 25 to 35 minutes. And we stopped at 7:50. So maybe we'll do 30 minutes. I don't know if I wanna leave it in that long. So I'll do a timer for 20 and then see how I feel. And then we'll see if I wanna leave it in for longer. Just because I just did the brown color like yesterday or the day before. So I'm not trying to leave this in for too long either. So I'm gonna clean up, let this sit. What am I gonna, I'm gonna cover it with a plastic cap so it's out of my way while I'm cleaning up. And so I can try to get some of this stuff off of me. But yeah, y'all, I'll be back. My hair is black. Excuse my shirt. We went through it, rinsing this hair out. But I'm gonna take this Camille Rose Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna put it all throughout my hair. I'm just gonna do a protein treatment, probably, maybe tomorrow. Either that or next week, like next time I sit down and full blown wash my hair. I'm gonna take about this much at a time. and go through and apply it, and then I'll detangle. Okay, that's a bit more. I think it's cute. I like it. Now we're gonna detangle. You probably haven't seen one of these combs in a very long time. I'm gonna do some protein treatments, and you guys will, obviously my hair is weighed down with conditioner and stuff right now, but you'll see how I start to revive my hair and like bring it back, and like just my ends and everything, because I don't know if you guys can tell. You can tell like the different textures in it, and you can tell that about right here. Yeah, anyways, you can tell. I honestly, the plan to grow my hair out is to get it braided back up as soon as I can and go from there. That's it. Either braid it up myself or get it braided back up as soon as I can, or do something like I have a wig I can make, or I can make a U-part now. Like I'll have much more options with my hair being black, where it'll just be easier. Having bright blonde hair, like it's hard to shade match for like blonde hair, because you want something that looks like 613 be looking yellow sometimes, and sometimes you don't want 613, but you can't always find the one that's like right above 613, you know. But you know, whatever. I'm gonna get in the shower tonight, and I'll rinse it out then, and then I'll probably follow up with my Apogee 2-step keratin treatment. Just something that'll hold me over until I do my next like full-blown protein treatment, because when I did the protein treatment today, like I could see the difference in my hair. And then, you know, my handy dandy oil, it's either this is, I'm not sure if this is the bottle that I mixed, the second bottle. So this is either my, you know, the usual black castor oil and wild growth oil, or this is just wild growth oil. But I think it has the black castor oil in it too, because of the consistency. Black castor oil is super thick, and I don't believe the wild growth oil is really thick on its own. Completely saturating my hair in oil, like I'm taking a lot of oil at a time, just because I want to make sure that my hair is moisturized for when I do the protein treatment. And then it'll be easier to put moisture back into my hair after the protein treatment. Wowza! Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. I could put it in a bun. I could put it in a bun. Alright, y'all, we finna deep condition. I'm gonna come back with my hair styled, because I just feel weird saying like, all right, this is it, you see my hair, but it's not done. So I'm gonna come back when my hair is done, because I'm not necessarily sure what I'm gonna do to it, and depending on what I do to it depends on, yeah. This is fire. All right, we're gonna put a plastic cap on now, and I'm gonna chill till I want to rinse it out. Typically, I usually say to leave conditioner in for a minimum of 30 minutes. So do with that information what you please, but I'm gonna leave it in for a couple hours. So yeah, I'll be back, guys. All right, y'all, and this, I gotta make sure I'm in the center. All right, this is the final look of the colors. Let me see if I can color. Ignore my little like stragglies. I gotta like slick them down, but yeah, this is the final look. I just went ahead and put my hair in a quick puff which actually looks kind of big. I don't know, but you know, growth is the growth for me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching me impulsively down my hair. I appreciate you guys so much. If you need anything from me, just let me know. All my social medias will be in the description box if you want to connect with me. If you need anything, you need to vent anything, my DMs are open, or if you feel comfortable with them being in the comments, that too. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, and hopefully we keep it black because I'm feeling it. I like it. Oh, and I want to say, like, I want you to hear it in my mouth. We hit 900 subscribers. I think we're at like 922 subscribers right now, last time I checked. So, I'm talking about last time I checked, like I didn't just check this morning. Anyways, but yeah, thank you guys so much, and welcome to everyone who has subscribed. Yeah, I've just been feeling really great lately, so I hope I'm portraying that energy to you guys. I hope you feel like I'm being like more myself in these videos, because I really feel like it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys as soon as possible because I'm trying to be on it. No. All right, bye y'all.